Okay, hello. Since the lunch is very close, I'm going to be short. As the colleague presented me, I'm Tomaž, and I work within this initiative, Microclimate.network initiative. And actually, our aim is to work on projects to improve outdoor environment, and maybe to clarify what we have in mind with microclimate. Typically, it's about location-specific climate, as you know it, and it's characterized by air temperature, relative humidity, wind velocity, direction, and also parameters of air quality. So, what is the problem? As you all know it, we are in time of global change. Everything is getting warmer, and also the prognosis says that we're going to get increase in air temperatures in the future. So this climate change actually affects our lives through health issues, also the food production, which is going to get it's going to get tougher and tougher to produce food. We will have to produce more with less resources. So our mission actually is to raise awareness and try to help mitigate these global warming issues. By utilizing latest technologies, like one of them is LoRaWAN, and also implement latest findings in applied sciences in different fields. So we started with a low-hanging fruit from technology point of view, and we have designed this sensor because data starts with a sensor. On your way out, going for lunch, you're going to get this device. We call it microclimate sensor or microclimate.node. And maybe if we look at some of the features, the key features are basically it can be used outdoor or indoor, but our purpose is that you put it outdoor, so we can monitor together the parameters of the environment. It's easy to install. You're gonna get you can use either plastic zip ties, or you can use we're gonna complement you with this placeholder. The range is up to 10 kilometers, and we expect this sensor to work for around 3 years. Up to 3 years, and it's a cost-effective solution since you're getting it for free. Some of the technical specifications, so it's relatively accurate. In terms of temperature measurements, relative humidity, air pressure, and it features, of course, LoRaWAN, and it has 2 AAA batteries, so it's cheap to maintain. Some of the ideas where you're going to place them, because the idea is that you put it, you're not supposed to put it inside the drawer, but outside of the building when you come home. So we want you to go outside and find your best or your favorite micro location and put this sensor there. So some of the ideas, you have like light poles. You can use light poles and just plastic zip ties. You just have to be sure to place it so it's orientated towards north, maybe from northeast to northwest it's okay, so it's not directly exposed to solar radiation, otherwise you're not going to measure actually air temperature. And it's also recommended that it's somehow protected from rain, because if it's going to be directly exposed to rain, there may be some problems. Or roof overhangs, so like in the second picture, and maybe also a birdhouse. So, but if you place it inside the birdhouse, be sure to inform birds, and they have to sign the GDPR contract, because you're violating their rights. Okay, so where does the data go? We know that data, we have to send it somewhere. There are like various ways and various ecosystems to send this data. But we said, okay, let's do something integrated. So you're going to get a sensor, you're going to get a platform, and ... in next slides. So this platform, Microclimate.network, which is actually the web address also, it features basically direct integration with the TTN network. It's easily, you can easily add and configure the device of your choice, but for you, we have done it for you with this sensor, so it's actually live already. All the sensors are live. So all the data is open, and you can download it, you can use it, you can share it. So all the data is available for everyone, and there are also charts, and you can actually you can monitor this data and see what's going on. And the next question is what to do with data. Data, if not used, is useful. So you want to do something on top of this data. We have some ideas what to do with this data. The first feature that is going to work in a few months and is going to be interesting is, let us say, frost alerts. So you can, in 1 day advance, based on your temperature, on your micro-location, there are going to be alert for you if there is a potential for frost. Because we're also scientists, we're interested in research as well. We want to provide researchers with data that they can use for further research. Like one is urban heat island potential monitoring, maybe also identification of regions based on big data, and so on. The future tasks also air quality monitoring. We are already measuring 5 nodes with particle matter, so PM parts, that is in Novo Mesto. Low-cost sensors also, wind velocity and wind direction, and we want to grow the network to get as much as data and to help everyone to get engaged. So as my colleague prior to me said, let's build this thing together. Same goes here. So to conclude this, actually, if you have any questions regarding the sensor and the platform, so the sensor that you're going to get, we will be available at the counter on the exit when you come out on the right side, myself and my colleagues, so they can help you with technical questions and also how to deal with this, how to place it, where to install it, and so on. We would like really from you to go out and place this sensor. It's going to be live and show some quality data. And as a return, we would really be grateful if you could share this when you place it and take a photo and maybe share it on a social media so we can endorse, like, heart, whatever, to help us grow. Thank you for your attention. Yeah, it's a pleasure. Take care.
Yeah.